On the northwest corner of the American continent lies the Inside Passage of Alaska, a land of soaring mountains, magnificent forests, towering icebergs, remote waterways, plentiful wildlife. There are many ways to explore this vast and unspoiled region, but there is one perfect way: from the cockpit of a sea kayak.
Hello, my name is Scott Roberge, and I own a small kayaking company named Tongass Kayak Adventures. We're based out of Petersburg in southeast Alaska, right in the heart of the Inside Passage. We offer a variety of paddling experiences using sea kayaks. We go to LeConte Glacier Bay, the Stikine River, Tevenikoff Bay Wilderness Area, and lots of whale watching up in Frederick Sound.
You don't need to have prior kayaking experience to enjoy this very personal and intimate way to encounter one of North America's most untamed wilderness settings. Our expert guides will teach you everything you will need to know to safely enjoy sea kayaking. Tongass Kayak Adventures offers a variety of unique adventure choices. The base camp option includes transportation via a float plane or motor launch from Petersburg to a fixed campsite located in a remote wilderness setting. From this location, kayaks are launched, and each day is spent exploring the surrounding territory. While sacrificing none of the excitement and enchantment of visiting Alaska, this option is great for first-time kayakers and for those wishing a softer encounter with the land. Comforts of the base camp include roomy dome tents, dedicated restroom facilities, and a large covered common area that includes the kitchen and the dining setup. The Explorer Tours are fully contained excursions where paddlers carry all the necessary camping and cooking gear in their kayaks. The trip itinerary includes kayaking to several different destinations, paddling and camping in true wilderness settings for up to 7 days. Traveling with 8 to 10 fellow adventurers, Explorer Tours bring the visitor up close and personal with the challenges and rewards of expedition paddling. Individuals who do not have previous kayaking experience will be able to develop basic paddling skills under the expert guidance of the expedition leaders. The principal mission of each Tongass Kayak Adventures expedition leader is to not only lead, but also to educate, covering the history and lore of southeast Alaska, as well as the ecological profile of this rich and diverse region. In addition, a major objective of the Tongass Kayak Adventure Guides is to serve as a proactive steward of this magnificent region and to impart to each guest a deep respect for this pristine and fragile environment. Tongass Kayak Adventure guests are active and physically fit individuals with a spirit of adventure. People who love the out-of-doors. Folks who enjoy meeting and spending time with like-minded people. Guests on a Tongass Kayak Adventure excursion can expect scenery of grand scope and unparalleled beauty. Wilderness settings that are wild and remote, where there is little evidence of civilization. A mild maritime climate with daytime temperatures in the 60s and the evenings in the 40s. During the paddling excursion, guests will see massive glaciers and encounter spectacular icebergs as they paddle their kayaks. The surrounding landscape will reveal thundering waterfalls, soaring snow-covered peaks, and dramatic glacier-cut fjords, some with walls as high as 3,000 feet. All Tongass Kayak Adventure expeditions originate in picturesque Petersburg, located some 100 miles south of Juneau, Alaska's state capital. Petersburg, located along the eastern shore of Mitkof Island, offers an escape from the ports favored by the large cruise ships. Yet this quaint and colorful village is the site of a very active commercial and fishing operation. In addition to a full complement of visitor services, Petersburg offers comfortable accommodations for those spending time before and after their kayaking experience. All Tongass Kayak Adventure tours include services of professional guides, stable and fully outfitted fiberglass double and single touring kayaks, spacious two-person tents, and best of all, hearty meals expertly prepared by the guides, including some of Petersburg's famous seafood. Visiting Southeast Alaska with Tongass Kayak Adventures will be an experience of a lifetime, an intimate encounter with one of the last remaining unspoiled wildernesses, a visit that will forever change you. Come join us.